Diesel on my tail, dames en heren. I just pulled around the highway in my little foreign car. Well, it's raining and the road is really bad. Never saw that big old diesel, but I heard him hit the air. I got a feeling that I might have made him mad. He closed again between us, pushed the pedal on the floor. He's making 90 in that big old diesel truck. I could hear the names he's calling me above the engine roar, and the words that won't be found in Webster's book. There's a diesel on my tail and making 90 miles an hour. My reflection in my mirror's might have paid. I can hear St. Peter calling, I can almost smell the flowers. And his comeback take the impact does the diesel on my tail. Well, I'm huffing and puffing as I try to make the grade, and I wish I had some kettles on this car. Then I'm slipping and sliding and afraid to touch the brake, for this doodle back could never stand the jar. There's a diesel on my tail and making 90 miles an hour. My reflection in my mirror's might have failed. I can hear St. Peter calling, I can almost smell the flowers. And his comeback take the impact does the diesel on my tail. Well, I'm slipping and sliding, trying to hold it on the road, and I wish I had some pedals on this car. Then I'm trembling and shaking and afraid to touch the brake, for this back could never stand the jar. There's a diesel on my tail and making 90 miles an hour. My reflection in my mirror's might have failed. I can hear St. Peter calling, I can almost smell the flowers. And his comeback take the impact does the diesel on my tail. And his comeback take the impact does the diesel on my tail.